Hey, my dear friends, hope all is well. My name is First Pan. I'm a web and mobile developer based in New York City. Welcome to my video series, Project Authentication for React and React Native, Video 1.8. Today's work is to make web and mobile front end logout. And on the agenda, we will have two items. First is on the web, we will be able to log out and then navigate to the login page. And for the mobile, we're going to do the same thing. And let's start with the code that we have here. So basically, what happens is here. So in this page, we want to have a logout button. After we log out, we want to go back to the sign in page. So let's look at our code and start working on it. So as we always do, we start with our web app. So in our web app, so first of all, from our private page, we're going to enable the logout. So basically, we need to import another React router DOM component that's link. So basically, from React router DOM. And for the UI part, we're going to have the button that can do can let us log out. So basically, we're going to have after div of saying private page, what we probably need to do is another div div. So we're gonna say in this we're gonna have class name equals to container empty dash 5. So within it, we're gonna say, I don't need this anymore. We're gonna say h3 private page, and under it we're gonna say we want to have a line here. Dash 4, and below that we're gonna have another div by saying link and so this should say sign out from the private page, and the link class name equals text info, and 2 will link us to sign in page, and this is it. And also in the app, basically we need to add the sign out page as well. So within the path of the web, we're going to touch. So we're going to have nav logout. So in this nav logout file, we need to first in our app. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, so this one is logout. But it is not components folder, it's the nav folder. And this is, oh, sorry. This logout. Logout. And this is logout lowercase. This is logout. Okay, so for the logout page itself, we're gonna say, okay, so import React from React, and we're gonna say import redirect from React router DOM. And we'll have const logout equals to props goes in here. We're going to export default logout. So in here we're going to say return this will be redirect to equals to logout. Okay, so let's see if it compiles. Okay, looks like the web app is complaining because of the div tags here. So we probably want to do this to wrap up the whole thing in here. And we're going to line it up. This should work. Okay, so it compiles. And then we go to the app, go to register. Okay, actually, it's sign in. Okay, we're going to sign in Mr. React. Okay, so in the backend here, we submit, sign in successfully, and so we have at the same time we have a sign out button, and if that's exactly what we have been working on, and we sign out, so it navigates, it not only sign out, it also navigates to the sign in page. So that's exactly what we want to do on the agenda on the web logout. Then the page navigates to log in. So then the next step is to do the same thing for the mobile app. And we pretty much do the same thing. And for example, we can go to our mobile app. So we can close all our web files. So go to mobile. Again, on the private page, we probably do need to do a few things. We need a style sheet here now for the button. So basically, from React Native, we import these components, and in here, we're going to import our old friend, the custom button that we used in sign in and sign up, the same thing. And we also need to import another start sign in from NAV, the file name, we want to call it start screen.js. And also in the file, we can say, instead of say, so we can do a method here that's a logout equals to start signing, and in the render part we keep the same thing. So we're gonna render saying I'm a private page, no longer anymore. So under the view, we're gonna say view style component. So we're going to have a view, but the style here I want it to be style container. So style equals to styles container, and under it we will have text for text, and before this we will say private screen, and under the private screen I'm gonna implement the custom button that we imported earlier. Copy custom button, and on press equals to this dot logout, and I will have a custom style equals to, and title equals to sign out. Custom style, I'll go to styles button, and then I can define the style sheet lower here. So const styles equals to style sheet, create the styles, detail the styles here. We will have the container as one of the style, and we will have also another button. Okay, so for the container, we're going to flags one justify content. We're gonna say center align items will be center as well. And for the button, I want to have a background color, which is going to be RGB 255, 189, and 0. So this is our new private file. And we also need to have another start screen file under the nav folder. So at the same time, we need to do a small adjustment in our sign-in page. So start private screen. We're gonna have to make it a component from another file name, start screen. Okay, so now we're going to create that start screen file, which is in here, in our mobile app, in here. Now mobile app here, we can touch, navigate a start screen.js file for us to use. So in the start screen.js file, we are going to do a few things. Again, we're going to import navigation from React Native navigation, React Native navigation, and we're going to export const start private screen equals to and we will eventually export. Oh, so we already exported, so we don't need to do it anymore. So we're gonna return navigation dot start a single screen app, and the screen will be screen client private. We have it already, and we're going to have a title for this. It's going to be private screen. Okay, so for another one, we're going to export const start sign in equals to so also we're going to return navigation dot start single screen app. Same thing, screen screen, but this one we will be client sign in, and the other one will be title. It will be the login page. So basically this is the code. Let's see, refresh. Okay, so in the login page we're going to say login of, let's say, John Snow and John, and I want to see the backend to see if we can log in successful. So we sign in. Well, it is signed in, but it doesn't go to the private page. Looks like in the sign in part. So we find the bug is here. There's a typo here. navigation. So after we save this, we can try it again. So we want to log in. We say this time Mr. React. Okay, let's look at the backend server. So in here, if we submit, it logged in successfully. But it still doesn't navigate to the so basically what happens is this. Okay, we can try again. This time Jon Snow. We submit. Okay, log in successfully and navigate to private screen. And in the private screen, so in the private screen we sign out. Okay, it works. After we sign out, it automatically navigates us to the login page, and it works the same way we expected for the web application. So basically in this video, we have achieved both front-end, web, and mobile. After we log out, we navigate to the login page so that the user can continue to log in. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in video 1.9. I look forward to it, and just can't wait. Thanks. Bye.